Good morning and hi everyone. How is everyone doing? Hopefully, you must be doing very well and you must be enjoying your lives. And obviously, you should enjoy your lives. Okay. Can you can you hear me nicely? I think I have also fixed the noise. Okay, little bit of good. Now let me do just one more thing very quickly. Okay, I think it should be good now. Great. So, my dearest friends, for the last few days, gold has been creating a very interesting situation. It has been creating an interesting situation, I should say. Forget my swing trade for now, okay? It will be there, okay? This is the situation till now so far. So for the past, and one more thing I forgot to finish my tea. Okay, here we go. I have still a little bit of it left. So gold has created interesting situation, my friend. And this is that type of a situation which I think is very much important for traders, especially the ones who are inconsistent and they want to learn that in different conditions and in different times of the year how a specific instrument moves and behaves. So very ideal and fantastic time zone it is for you, and time period it is for everyone who really want to understand the market structure, then the intraday price, okay, and like repeatedly these technical terms comes in front of us again and again and again on regular basis. Now intraday sellers for the past week, as I said, let's see, this is today, this is yesterday, this is the day before, and this is Monday. This is Monday 4th. From right here we have an opening of the week. From exactly right here, this ongoing week opened. On Monday, initially it dropped, okay, and then it followed its rally. The first day it was bullish, The second day it was bullish, the third, and today is not yet confirmed. Okay, I will be looking the further 5 previous days as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is then the previous week's candle. In that previous week candle, what happened is it just sharply dropped and then go for a correction, and then right here this week, like last week, what happened, or this week when the price opened, it was already near a sell zone on the weekly basis, because this was the previous week. See this one, and there is a Fibonacci logic behind it as well, right here, as this. But does these ABCD pattern got a completion? No, they did not. They got a defeat right here, or they did. Let's see, from here till here. No, they did not. See here, this was the completion, but that did not happen. Why it stopped? We will be discussing that as well today. As I say, I try to take things very realistically. I mean, by realistically, I mean really realistically. So I hope this mic works nicely today, and this webcam as well. My friends, I spent the whole day on this particular setup. Okay. So when the main thing that I am going to discuss today, the intraday stuff, because right here when the week opened, what it did afterwards, because my friends, one thing I want to clear right here. In my weekly forex forecast videos, I discuss the swing opportunities, swing trades, position trades. Clear? In the educational sessions, I discuss candles, different concepts. But in the live streams, I look at the market with a intraday perspective. So that's why the chosen topic for today is the intraday, like how market structure, how the market structure. Wait, okay, I will be coming on to your wait, okay. Yes, how gold will use to trap the intraday traders. So this is why this is the topic for today. Now, my dearest friends, what after that, what the market did? Intraday, see right here, the full correction did not occur. Back down till here, from right here was the correct buying move, but market did not give this correction. Anyway, so I was saying that my friends, the thing is that intraday price like repeatedly looked weak, okay, and almost like convincing traders that the market wanted to continue lower, but later the intentions were something else. And each time the buyers came back in, they came very stronger. Clear? Will you be remembering this forever? Great. So my friends, in this session today, I want to like slow down a little bit because obviously this is important for us. I have also booked several losses as well, all in front of you. And this slowing down will help us like why that behavior keeps happening instead of rushing toward buy and sell decisions. Okay. So in this whole session, I will be discussing it side by side. I will be looking at this gold present market as well, and will be finding this is a swing opportunity. Okay, and at least right here I might be like in 550 pips of a profit, but the overall drop it suggests still here. And right here yesterday I discussed setup, and those of you who took it, see, this is yesterday. In the yesterday's live stream I discussed this break below. So see, the break below occurred. This is your break below, then this is a retest, and from the retest right now is the continuation. And most traders are also holding some positions as this, okay, as this, but I want to give it two highs at this moment. I want to stay in the market a little bit. And structure, if we see on the lower time frames, it will be a pure confusion going on. So in the market structure and market moods video live stream back in November, what I said is we need to understand the mood of the market as well. Have you ever seen sometimes your strategy works very well and then sometimes that suddenly stop working? So why is it doing so? It is doing it because every strategy is built for its own environment. Okay. For example, for space, there are specialized machineries, spaceships and this and that. For just traveling from one country to another country, we have aeroplanes. But aeroplanes cannot go to the space. Why? Because they are not made for that climate. So if now we see right here the market structure, my friends, market structure is now then such a thing that is the father of all strategies, father and mother of the strategies is the market structure and technical analysis. And openly right here today again I want to tell you, those who want to really become a successful trader must have to go through the learning phases of the market structure and the technical analysis. Otherwise there is, even if you learn 10,000 strategies, still those strategies will not be working for you. I will be bringing different strategies right here later if I get a chance, if you remind me, and will show you that see if one doesn't understand the market structure, the market mood, and what type of strategy is built for what type of trading. For example, there will be some strategies which will be working very nice in highly volatile market. Sometimes there will be some strategies which will be working in less volatile markets. And perhaps this is the way till now so far even the AI cannot trade. Okay, like completely it cannot trade. Even if it trade, people will be giving it commands, but it doesn't trade on its own. So I hope you guys understand what I say. I hope, because if it just go above your brain, then I think, my friends, it's not going to bring any change then. Okay, since now most of the traders are interested to see that, for example, if we see this particular candle right here, see, now this is one, this is two, this is three candles in a row in print, it printed three candles in a row it printed. And after a very big fall, then a medium fall, and after this support, we have not seen anything till right at here. And what this H4 candles and H1 is suggesting us at this stage, it is very nicely dropping till at this price point. So let's see if the risk is less. I will be taking it. Yes, 58 pips of stop loss it requires, and the profit it should give me will be around 75 pips, and this is USDJPY. Okay, so yes, maybe I think even if the market is anyways bearish after a very big consolidation zones. Do you see my price action video? In that I clearly discuss these things. Now, my friend, the other thing, and that is, if let's suppose one, like, the whole week my account was like in a drawdown, and it is still in a drawdown, still it is in a drawdown. But for example, if I lose hope in such situations, what will happen? If I lose patience, then what will happen? If I lose patience, to the least, what will happen is I will lose everything. Yes, and this is true, my friends. I will literally lose everything. Why? Ask me why. Why I will lose everything? Remember, when a person loses his patience, that person become greedy, become revengeful, become FOMO all of the time, and even despite of 100% working strategy, it will be going negative against him because of the mindset and not understanding the bigger strategies. See, I mean, right here, even before this, see how much it consolidated right here. How much? It is a very important saying. See this one, and then a big drop. There is an important saying that for a clever person, only a little hint is enough. Right here it printed a whole series of hints right here for you that okay, it is dropping. And this is a very important strategy I have for this particular one. In that strategy, but it always doesn't work, my friends, okay? Because see at this market as this, what we say, this type of a market is a 90-degree angle market. It just drop on a 90 degrees. See, this is a straight 90 degrees. Have you ever studied mathematics? 90 degrees, 90 degrees and 90 degrees. Some other day I will make a video on degrees and how to look at the market this way, this way, this way, and what is the importance of these degrees. Remember, there is a calculator called Gann calculator. He made his own system on the basis of angles. Yes, my friends. You know Fibonacci, this Fibonacci is used in photography as well. This much beautiful tool this is. So let's see, let's head over to gold US dollar. See my friends, here will be one thing I'm telling you. As far as the today's intraday session is concerned, let's see, or the trading is concerned, the intraday stuff is waiting for us near 47.44 and we will be waiting for that. Okay, as this, or otherwise if let's suppose if it hits from right here, I can also reduce this stop loss till here and reduce this take profit till here, and then this will also be very good. But I mean, this breakout and the retest from right here gave 274 pips once, then 379 pips again. So anyways, let's see, let's wait. Since the dollar yen is showing us a drop, so we have to see that how the market reacts right here, especially on the 15-minute time frame. Then I will also be checking the Forex factory, what we have today in the news. So that will be also very much important for us. For the USD, we had a lot of the news for the USD that came good for the dollar. USD non-farm employment change good for the dollar. Average hourly earnings bad for the dollar. Unemployment rate is 6.9 for 7%. Then previous was 6.7. Similarly, the non-farm employment change last time was 185k. This is 115k. But still, this is an improvement. Dollar should get some strength, and unemployment rate came not changed. So overall, seems a good market. Okay, now the bigger picture right here, my friends. Move on to this chart because obviously we will be understanding it. Let me head over to your chat if there is any. I will be coming up with some topics each and every day as well, plus we will be trading as well. So it will be a very good session, hopefully. Now the bigger H4 story. Just give me one moment. Want to turn on the fan little bit, okay? It's humid right here. Just one moment. The bigger story, my friend, the bigger story is very much important. Actually, I'm wearing these headphones so that I can monitor my audio. There is a little bit of problem in this mic, but I think I'm, as far as I'm not touching the table, it should be fine. So the bigger stories, my friends, then those whom I see, those traders who just come into the trading and without understanding, they will be jumping into the trades. Do you think this is a good idea? No. Okay. So the bigger H4 story. This is very interesting. Okay. Where is my pen? This is very much interesting. Make sure to pay close attention to it. Pay very close attention. What happened in the H4 is obviously this. Can you see how this market started all the way from there, then it go took a retest, then it came back down again, then go back up, and see each time, this time it broke this level, so it go for a retest and then a drop. Then similarly right here it go for a retest, then it drop. Similarly right here and drop and drop. And right here it already broke this particular level, which was a clear sign that the market is coming back down till at this price point. Created a double bottom with a big divergence, portable divergence, and the market boom. And now everyone who is watching me for the first time, who will be looking at this stream later, let me tell you, this move I predicted in advance. So am I a magician or like what? I understand market structure, I understand candlestick patterns, I understand the harmonic patterns, I understand the psychology and the psychology behind the candlestick patterns. You just name it, okay? Now, how actually a double bottom forms, and then how RSI divergence can help us. So obviously for that we will need to study the market from this first touch on the intraday. And this is a technique, try to learn it from me, okay? This is a technique, my friends. On the 15-minute right here, the market is looking as this. It already, like if one leave always focusing on the charts and stuff, one could easily identify and spot this particular double bottom, and not just a double bottom but a very handsome divergence right here. Let's do it a little bit clean. I mean literally beautiful divergence it gave, and it even continued and then came back down for a 61.8% retracement. and then go back up and then broke this particular zone as well. And when it was going back up from right here, this was a retest level. Have a look at it. Understand, my friends? Even on the 15-minute. Anyways, let's again go a little bit till here. See how beautifully it got played. Where did it stop there? It stopped up there because this was a Fibonacci zone right here. See, we have a Fibonacci zone. So on the intraday trades and this one, this is another opportunity. Now let's delete this to have a clean chart. From a Fibonacci, a drop back till this particular zone. Okay, pay close attention. As a Fibonacci trader, I obviously will not be buying right here. So what I will be doing is, I will most probably be looking for my Fibonacci number. Since this is M15, so this is Fibonacci comes right here. This is now intraday stuff. Fibonacci right here, little confirmation didn't work. So what's next? Maybe a stop out. Oh, still worked. Now my friends, where did the market stop? Again from there back till down there. See this level. How did I find this particular level? This is also a question. So from here till up there. See, beautifully played. Another support right here, even this time a little bit fake. And the market started to come back down. When it was coming back down, I spotted this thing and I said, back then it was trading as this. I said this broken structure occurred, just sell it. I deployed my ABCD pattern. Let's read this Fibonacci to have a clean chart. This trend line, and I said that each time I identified this trend line when price was right here. So then it touched this one. See, from right here I got it validated. Then this was tradable to the downside, tradable to the downside, tradable to the downside, tradable to the downside. This is that intraday stuff. But my friends, if the market moves doesn't mean that if a levels from where a market moves once and market forget it. No, liquidity areas will always be approaching these levels again. So it came back down. And right here was my actual intraday buying decision, which were supposed to be starting right here. I almost bought as well, but then stopped out on that. And since then the market is crazy bullish right here. This is so bullish that I did not get my 61.8% retracement already. See right here, it already took a support, so that's why it continue high up. So my order did not filled on this one. Right here also no rally was expected, but market didn't give that as well, and market kept trading above this zone, and till now so far it is trading above this zone. So when I said it is a little bit behaving strange for a moment, obviously there is this bullish level we have as well. Okay, because the yesterday's one that gave profit on the 15-minute today's one is on the H1, and as per this particular plan, market now is going bullish. If I see the H4 candle, well, obviously this level needs to be broken on the H4, and then we will be looking to the buying side of the market. Otherwise, I am sure enough you must have made some scalping decisions right here. As in the stream I gave you this trade, so if you are still in it, I'm not sure why, but 119 pips this level gave. Now coming on to your chat, if there is any, then this was the H4 story and the M15 combining together. So I discussed double bottom, I discussed RSI and divergence and its importance, how the double bottom is formed, and what is that approach that we will use on the 15-minute time frame to understand it. We understood what is higher time frame support and why the H4 context mattered more. Okay, remember, higher time frame structure had stronger weight, but M15 is having a lot of the smart money, my friend. Okay, there are like the banks and those bigger smart money, they are institutional trades, very bigger ones. They are very tiny. Let's suppose in the whole world there will be 5 to 600, 500 around. S&P 500. This is your whole all the companies that comes under the smart money concept. These are these little banks and little hedge funds that play these tiny moves then. So we understood it today that the higher time frame structure has strong weight, but lower time frames also clears our path. Now we will be interesting to see that why intraday traders got confused in such situations, because I remain right here in the live streams. I remain an intraday trader. I got confused. I also get a stop loss hit later. I recovered half of it till now so far. Again, that half is also gone. Still, my friend, this is Forex and this is a realistic thing. If we take it this way, then this is gold mine for us. If we don't take it this way and if we treat it as a gambling, then everything is gone, my friend. It's not going to work. Okay, now let me head over to your chat. Who is with me? Very less people came to the stream today. I am not sure why. You guys are upset on me or like what? Bon Sawyer, who is with me? Bon Sawyer, which is this language? Bonnie, Bon Sawyer, Bon mean good evening, French greeting. Okay, great. Bon Sawyer, Bon Sawyer, Bon Sawyer, everyone. So HK Wines, why there are no 10-15 people in the stream? What happened to them then? Oh, I think all of them came to get trades from me. This is what I think. Now, getting trades from me will not be helping anyone. Okay? Now, it's not going to help anyone. Clearly, I'm telling. Okay? And those signal groups and those like those courses, nah, my friend, they are fake as well. They doesn't work. The course, whenever you pay to someone, tell him that that person will be giving his real time to you, 40 minutes every day, Monday till Friday. Then pay to that person so that you actually learn from it. not recorded courses or this and that. Nah, 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 nah. Just don't go for that ever. If people only come right here for trade ideas or directions and not learning, then my friend, there is like, then my stream will not be bringing any good change. Why? Because people are not learning. Everything is, the whole burden will be over my shoulders. Now, is that possible? Now, see, if one wants to make profit, this is the profit, 95 pips. Book it and leave. For example, if I book it and I leave, then my friend, the stream will not be working. That's why I am right here. So, big book quickly profits, okay? Now there is a Fibonacci number coming. I hope you guys made profits from this. Congratulations to all of you. At the start of the stream, I clearly mentioned it. Trades, trade signals, these things are not going to work. Yes, rest of their life is complete hell, I should say. Rest of their life is not very good. This is a valid sell area to me, but I was talking so I missed it how many times? One, two, three, four. At the start of the stream, I guess I did it from right here, I guess. Even if this is the first one, still it's fine, still it's fine. And I think USDJPY is going nicely as well. I mean, not very nicely, but let's see, little bit of a risk I took on this one. I will be moving on to the CAD as well today, but and crude oil as well. Now, my friends, did you ever heard the term fake bearish continuation? FBC, fake bearish continuation. In this type of continuation, what the market gives us is that it gives a continuation that looks like a good continuation, a good bearish continuation. So I'm giving the example of this right here, this. Where is the pen? Let's see. When it, like when this market structure was playing all the way from there, as this, when it was dropping, and this week when the market opened on Monday, since Monday, what happened on the Monday? Exactly, the market dropped till at this place, then took a correction, came back down, and this is Friday, so Thursday, Wednesday, and on Tuesday what it did is, on Tuesday it got reversed, and on Tuesday later, in when the NY session was about to close, and I made good profit on this as well, but later I get another mistake. So market dropped, not originally to my level, so but I was like a little bit trapped on this one. Why? Because this is fake bearish continuation pattern, and we need to understand it. When I'm teaching it on the higher time frames, I cannot ignore it, but on the lower time frames, sometimes when I'm in the stream and stuff like that, then I uh, sometimes like violate some, like do a human errors perform, and that's why I tell people, don't follow me, my friends, understand it yourself. Okay, following someone else in forex trading is anyways not good, huh? That is completely a very false idea. Following someone else trades, my friend. What type of trading is this? One type of traders they will become who just look at others and they make profit and just copying their trades without understanding the proper support, the resistance, the trend line, the Fibonacci, this and that, just gambling and gambling and gambling, and forever those traders will be gambling. Those who don't listen to me today right now, most probably they are going to gamble in this market. Gambling, gambling, gambling. Even some members come to me, they are gamblers. I say, go away, my friend. I don't facilitate gamblers. If you become a gambler right here, in one day I would be completely lost my mind right here, sold right here aggressively, and would have lost this much, and this account will be zero by now. These are those mental shift and clarity. Now clarity, my friends, let's have a look at the clarity. With how beautiful and nice clarity this market was coming back down, even on Sunday I said it. Now tomorrow I will be taking a class of those members who are swing traders and to whom I gave this concept, and still they lost money right here. I will be telling them that why, because I clearly made profit from right here on the swing. My friend, I don't, these days double bottoms don't form very frequently on the H4 and the daily. Let me show you. In December, before I was about to stop trading gold for the January and February, when I took a break, if you remember, during Christmas, that setup, how I identified that. If you want to see my videos, check out my video from around look at this pattern, okay, and there was this pattern. See this one, this exact pattern, I traded it as a whole, and I gave this direction, I gave this direction, I traded it to the sell side of the market, literally to every side of the market. When this ABCD got completed, I said no, I am not more into this game. Then market came back down again, created that same pattern, double bottom, this beautiful rally, again come back for a double bottom, beautiful rally, and now again come back down for a H4 and beautiful rally. But as I said in my streams, I didn't took it on this account because that is injustice. I already said. I hope one day you understand, okay? So this is like that whole fake bearish continuation story. There are a lot of the things like let's say weak downside follow through, then repeated levels, yes, repeated levels, oh my friends, or repeated reversals I should say, they make people crazy. Even one repeated reversal is happening in front of us, 1 2 3 4, almost for the fourth time this is reversing from right here. Okay, so as per the yesterday plan, well, yes, this one worked nicely, but as per the today's plan, it may also work nicely if the stop loss survive. Okay, there are intraday emotional traps as well, my friends. What emotional traps? Intraday emotional traps. and we need to understand them. If we don't understand, we are again like missing on a lot of the things. Any question for me? Show up in the chat, then I proceed further. Joy, right. Thank you so much for a good comment. Hi, sir. Greeting from Indonesia. Great. I follow your YouTube in lots and lots good improvement for me. Great. Mexizo official. Bonsoir. Bonsoir means good evening in French language. So now let's see the CAD a little bit, okay? See, I wherever I get an opportunity, I avail it. Let's see, there was already some prediction available. Surprisingly, CAD is breaking in above the structure because news came good for the dollar today. So then, my friend, there will be, and yes, this rally also got bullish from right here. So there will be some buying, but let's see if it gives a correction then. Structure is nice, okay? On the 15-minute, if I want to take it, I can take it. Let me find SL area and take profit area for it. How to do that? Let me tell you. For now, let's place the stop loss right here. How to find stop loss area for a trade and take profit area. See, look at this trend. First, look at this particular trend. Where did it started from? It started from right here. Nice, beautiful. It continued bullish and broke the previous structure. Previous structure story finish. It go up, took a retest, on a retest gave a valid bottom structure right here, and obviously when the traders see the double bottom structure with divergence, here there was hidden divergence right here, okay? How much beautiful opportunity it gave. And see, the market stopped on a double top. A rally that start on a double bottom will always be most of the time ending in a double bottom. A double bottom started will end with double top, and with a double top started will end with a double bottom. So it means this rally is not yet over. We haven't seen any sort of double bottom right here. We can consider this for now. And now when this level got broken, same price the market is going for a retest. So this is now my thought process for my take profit level. I can do one more thing. Let's read this first. I can do this. The very nearest reaction point in front of me is this, but I can and I will be holding it all the way till up there. Now when it comes to the stop loss will be below the structure. So right here the stop loss is increasing the take profit. So since I'm expecting it suddenly, if it happens, that's fine. So I'm taking it with a 61 pips of a take profit and 61 pips of a stop loss, sorry, and 107 pips of a take profit. So if I'm lucky, I will get it. Otherwise, I will let it hit my SL. HK, there is still time left. Wait for the weekly candle close. Then we will understand, okay? It's still a little bit time left. Let's see this particular rally now. There will be a Fibonacci number and scalpers will be buying from right here. But I'm not buying. Let's see. I want it to just close below in one go. And obviously first it can go up, stop me out. Yesterday it did the same. But I mean, like, now today the structure is very clearly present in front of us, and this structure can potentially from the same place giving us 716 pips today in the next 1 or 2 or 3 hours. Not a trading signal, but just for educational purposes, I'm telling you this. Okay, I'm telling you this. And yes, if it is going to create a triple top right here, then this market will enter into a consolidation. So for now, just wait for it a little bit, and then we see what the market gives us. Market will be doing its zigzaggy moves very quickly, like see, immediately 100 pips it will be giving us negative. And if I increase my lot today, I can easily scalp and make a lot of the money if you want. Okay, but as I tell you, I just don't want to show the practice, the perfect trades and this and that to all of you. Okay, why I don't want that? Because then it will become your habit and you will not be learning it from yourself then. So let's wait for another quick scalping. If I can get it from the top, this time I'm going to get it, and then we will see what it gives us. How is the quality of the stream? Please let me know, everyone. If you guys want to see profit, I can show you the profits right now on this same account. Okay, right now on this same account I can show you that. Let me increase then the lot and let me turn on my scalping mode if you guys want. Price, remember, needs to sustain momentum. Right here, just have a look at these and just have a look at this one. Notice how like price kept threatening at this continuation lower but couldn't sustain momentum. Okay, now my friends, when this breakout was occurring, this is that transition phase. Structure moved to the H1 zone, but it has not came back for a retest. This is the bigger mystery, and this is why people are just buying. FOMO buying is being done at the moment. FOMO buying, remember. If a big hedge fund comes and he also FOMO buy, the market will skyrocket right now. Now look at the RSI level. RSI is also going there. Where is my quick scalping trade? Right here. 4 pips I booked with 0.10. Structure shift is something, my friend. When we see that, okay, we see that that day I did a video on time frames. Did you watch it? And that 63 rule, 7 rules and 9 time frames we have. So we did the multiplication and that came around 63. We can minimize that number. We can minimize that very easily. Now you will say how we can minimize those numbers. I gave practical examples in that video as well. Here is a concept: structure shift. When from one time frame the market structure shift to another time frame, like on the H1, it is shifted, no retest has occurred. Why? Because of the H4 strength and bullish shift possibility. That's why everyone kept FOMO buying. Not a prediction it is, but market may be communicating a temporary shift in order to, like in order flow I should say. At the moment I am personally watching whether price returns toward the broken structure area or not, because this is very much important for the bulls, this whole area. This trend line got broken, but we have not seen any sort of a retest. Even not from right here, okay? And there is this ABCD pattern on the 15-minute that is showing an up move. Now any 15-minute trader who is buying against the H1, shift has occurred. If it is not going for a retest, then that's something else. Another quick scalping trade with 36 pips of SL and 101 pips of TP. Let's see if it hits the TP or the SL. I'll be right back, okay? Wow, 10 pips it's giving me, 10 pips. Because people are having big positions right here, big liquidity today. So in 8 minutes we will know that what is the reaction of the market. If it is first to the bullish side on the H4, H1, it will stop us out, then it will be coming back for a retest. So after a stopped out, I will not be doing anything. This is my discipline. Not a very scalping friendly market, I should say. Great, Joyride, great. Subscribe the channel if you like the content. I gave a lot of the information and knowledge today in this session. Make sure to check out this stream later as well. Now, my friends, remember why context matters more than candles. Do you know this? Do you know why high time frame structure dominates intraday noise? Why? What's going on? What is the problem? Why higher time frame structure dominate intraday noise? Remember, the market often creates confusion. Okay, before the clarity, all of the time there will be confusion. Yes, and that's why structure is more important to me. Okay, emotional reactions to candles will not give us anything. I was about to get stopped out from the market. I'm surely going to be stopped out. No problem. This is the market being this way. Market is consolidating right here. And remember, it will be approaching 47.88 first, this level. Remember, my friends, one cannot become a good trader if that trader don't know what is a position trade, how to take position trades, how to take swing trades, how then to take day trades, and how then to take intraday. Then sequential wise we come back down. Without a sequence, nothing works. Nothing will ever work, my friend. Now let's see euro US dollar as well. It's been some time I did not study it. So let's see, I did not traded it. When I left that trade in profit, I just did not touched it because I was expecting it this one. I was expecting this as this, but the market is on this at the moment, and that suggests right here. So yes, we have a candle reaction right here till at this price point. On a monthly, if it is going to create a range or something for 2-3 months, then it will be stopping again at 1.20. Okay, this breakout is going to be playing a very key role with us. Let's do the market structure study a little bit as well. So this is our direction, and this place we don't need anymore, so let's delete it. Yes, once it gave a sell trade, nice, fantastic. This is symmetry, okay. Now have a look at it. Approaching back up till there, then a retest and then a continuation. Oh, my friend, crude oil. Anyone traded? Oh, my friend. Do you remember 90 level? I said I drew this trend line breakout, this go retest, and 100% winning with 83 pips, 169 pips easily. Wow. I mean, literally, did anyone enjoy this particular trade? Remember, my friends, I'm not announcing each and every trade that I take, okay, on this channel. On none channel, I discuss everything. I teach on gold, on euro dollar, but I do trade these things. I'm not telling it right here because then I will like it can become like a gambling and people then gamble and this and that. So that's why I don't do that. If this breakout occurs, this one, nice loss that trade gave me. Maybe this one last trade and I'm not trading more for this week. Well, with this tight SL, I'm not sure if it will be surviving or not. But this is market, okay. Oh, Joyride, that's gold. Until next month, well, this is very different question. Wow, good profit it's bringing. Shall I book it? Potentially can stop me. Okay, I booked that profit. Let's trade on the 1 minute now. This ABCD pattern got completed, and there must be some seller reaction now. I might be most probably, let's see if I will be selling with a big lot. Yes, exactly, from right here is a big sell expected from this place. Let's see, okay. No valid sell is from there. And USD JPY, USD CAD will be open for over the weekend, okay. Gold, I will see if it hits the SL is fine, otherwise I may not be closing it. This is a swing trade. I will be carrying over, or if I make more profit today right now, maybe if I get a good opportunity, then I might close then everything. Okay, this is my habit, because then when I say okay, I made my week is overall in positive, because right now this week till now till today I'm going negative this week. Okay, since I started live streaming, this is my first week going negative as this, but will be as this. Okay, this is forex and it will be as this. And those traders who just follow me for the signals and the hype, see, they didn't appear today in the stream. They did not appear. H4 candle also closing in on my broker in 23 minutes. How is the quality of the webcam today? Is it still freezing little by little? Nice and steady the bulls are holding this candle, okay? Crude oil should go further down. I mean, I think soon it will be coming back down to 79 because this is its support. US tech, let's see. It gives very fantastic profits. Let's see if a correction occurs. Who knows, if it occurs, it can give me good profits. My week will also close in positive. Wow, USD ZAR finally dropped from this level, giving around 5,000 pips, my friends. USD MXN, good. Wow, my friend, anyone holding this sell with me on the H4? I don't remember when did I discuss it on that other account. Anyways, let's get back to gold. Let's see for our reaction area if market is going to react there or not. Dollar CAD and dollar yen are moving nicely at the moment. I mean, see, dollar yen moves even further nicely. This is that type of entry that I usually refer to. And the GBP USD. I think these bulls are not going to sit silent unless they touch this level because this is point D. Remember, this is point D in the ABCD pattern system. And if you guys think ABCD will be a complicated thing, no, my friend, it is. There is no easiest strategy than ABCD pattern because automatically you understand the market move, automatically you understand the momentum, automatically it gives you like built in everything. Everything is built in on the Fibonacci ABCD pattern. One ratio one I will prefer for this particular one. I think this will be good. May take some time, okay? It may take some time. My friend Joyride, you are asking for the next 1 month prediction. We are not sure for the next 1 minute again. This is such market. 15-minute candle closing in 1 minute. I think there is no valid reason to be in this particular trade for now. Okay, but let's see, because it can first stop me out, then it will be coming back down. Seems promising this one, but let's see. Suggesting a crashing candle, but there is a lot of the indecision in the market. Anyways, let's see. Remember, my friends, once whenever I grow the account from 10k to 13 or 14k, near this 14 or 13 number, something starts right here and the account starts struggling. Okay, so same is happening right here. Even in December it happened as well. Then later I grow it because it's part of trading, my friend. It's part of trading. It will be there. Now this is bullish engulfing. How fake market is this today? This is most of the traders say this, okay? Now my friend, another stop out. Then from right here I will be selling. I have no other option. Or if this double top confirms, oh, with a 30-40 pips of a stop loss, easily 176 can be generated. I'm not sure if it is working or not. We have to wait for one or two more candles, but by then the market must have been moved. But overall there is, let's see for one or two candles right here. Sort of double top confirmed, and divergence is also confirmed. Now at least it suggests a drop till at this place again. How it drops, I don't know how will it be dropping till here, but it is suggesting it. Yes, it is suggesting this move. Hey Marcos, yes, weekly candle is the key. How it closes, that's important. If it doesn't drop today, next week can be then the correction. But the thing is, if it go further up today, because the whole of the NY session is yet left, then this story can be way too hectic, I should say. This week it gave me a little bit on this account I'm talking, okay, not on overall. On this account it gave me a tough time on the intraday. In the live streams we have got a tough time. Till now so far we didn't lose much, but on Friday people lose much, so let's see. I hope my account doesn't go into a drawdown. This one, okay, this account. Now this time the SL is gone, okay. 100% is gone. Oh, still some hope left. Nah, I think this candle will just crash, but I realistically most of the time it doesn't. H4 candle closing in 8 minutes on my broker and most of the brokers. Good selling level is that, okay, this one, quick scalping one, I mean. Wow, nice move. Beautiful move. But let's see. Oh, that's great, FM Bugwa. That's great. I'm happy at least someone is learning something. My friend, now it should drop till here. If it's not dropping, oh, it was about to hit the SL. By 9 pips on gold, can you imagine till now so far? It survived. Yen and CAD are running nicely, okay? While the gold is gave tough time to me this week. On the intraday, everything was in front of you. No chance this time. Zero chance. Maybe a touch and reversal from there. Surprisingly again, maybe on this one. Bulls are gathering courage together to just take this liquidity right here, which is right, this whole right here maybe go slightly up. There is some story going on right here in this whole zone, this whole. 4 minutes left and the H4 is closing in 4 minutes. Gone. Okay, my friends, we will meet on Monday. I'm leaving this position, whatever it gives, it gives. Okay. Later, I will try to do it with 0.10 upon correction, or maybe till next week. Overall, the week was not very good for me, I should say. But this is market, my friend. It will be doing this. We cannot stop it. Okay. If one is telling you, what did I say? Account drawdowns will be there. We cannot eliminate it, my friends. Okay. So take care and thank you so much for being right here with me. Okay, so see you on Monday. Till then, goodbye.